So tables are better to work with if you have lots of data like temperature, month, and so on. We want to put it in a table. You go to Table, Zeilen einfügen, Tabelle, insert table, okay. And here you can insert it, so on. Now you can make the table to be not visible, or just this line's visible. If you want to make all invisible, you go here, go to all lines and make them all invisible. So you can prove your results by printing into PDF. So you have printed to PDF. The free PDF XP, it's based on Ghost Script. Now you don't see any table because we made the table invisible. You can also define lots of other options if you right click on the table and go to properties, table properties. Now you can define what size the table has to be, and it's interesting to click on options. You can define one cell larger than the other cell, for example. Or RAM or shadows. You can also define contrast and shadows. For example, red or okay, so you have lots of possibilities with tables. Actually, in HTML, it's a programming language. Tables are used, tables or divs. So now you know how to work with tables in Word. I will show you how to work with tables in Excel. In Excel, you already have the table. Here you can put some items like fruit, costs, item number, like A apple costs 32, item number 1. So if you print it out, to preview we print it out in PDF because we don't want to waste paper in our printers, and PDF is just like the printer output. You see the following results. Okay, so you don't see any lines. You can also change the behavior by selecting format and playing with these values. Okay, I will show you one third possibility to create tables. This is in InDesign. InDesign is used for making brochures or papers, so on. So let's create a new document. Here we have a new document. First you have to select some area, a box, to insert the table. So you can insert here a table. Just like in Word, you can define the rows, the columns, the header and the footer rows. And here you can define the style. Basically, it's about the same. Though it's a little bit too small. We can change the behavior by selecting this tool, by maximizing the box. Now that we have maximized the box, we can maximize the table, like 48 pt. Now we have the table, and we can do more fancy options, like defining one font like this one for 12. For W we will define another color, for example gray, or let's select green. So this is the third possibility. The first is with Word, the second is with Excel, the third is with InDesign. But basically you use Word or Excel more often because InDesign is slow for large tables.